Oko, the gossip when the street today be say Governor Ayade of Cross River State cause shockalize the street like electricity. Sake of say part of the COVID-19 response na to create what they call anti-tax agency. Sake of say not be everybody supposed to pay this tax to government.
We implore you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people. We have a tax law here that prescribes those who are exempted from tax. All those categories of people and those that from time to time may be so announced by the governor, including every single hotel that has less than 50 rooms in Calabar and in the whole state, today are exempted from payment of tax. We have exempted all Okada drivers, taxi drivers, airport taxi drivers. We have exempted small salon owners, small catering and restaurant points, mama put, eatery points. All those small basic survival people selling of produce, struggling to make a living, they have been exempted today from paying tax. We have exempted them because it is better for me as a governor that I rather task my brain than to tax my people. And great perseverance, you have the right for anybody who comes before you to demand tax. You have the right to say, stop, the governor has said we should not pay tax. Why will a small person carry banana from his farm to go and sell, and produce people are there taxing him for produce? Why would somebody carry granite to go to market and somebody is putting a checkpoint on the road and collecting money from the granite seller? This is not Ben Ayade. This is not my nature. I am not wired for this insensitivity to a weaker person. I have abolished produce tax. Let farmers earn their money. Let them keep their money. Because you didn't give them fertilizer, you did not irrigate the soil, you did not prepare the soil for them, you did not do the land clearing for them. Why do you want to tax them? Why do you put pressure on that your small brother or sister whose situation is much worse? Why will we expect that people who don't have scholarship for their children, who don't have good schools, they struggle to pay, struggle with the uniforms, struggle to have security in their small businesses, struggle to get water with their borehole, struggle with generator, and government is providing almost nothing to come back to such people and tax them? I think this is the greatest injustice. I never knew that 5 years into office as governor, I would still find somebody who could live in a thatch house in Cross River State. I almost cried because I knew how prepared I was, but it didn't end the way I had dreamt for the state. And I just think that somewhere God will just help me, because I really wish I could help. It's very painful, truly. I can't put 5 years and I've not been able to do the change I wished. I know of some small people whose businesses are closed because even after signing into law that they should stop collecting tax, I still find people giving political appointment for a completely different thing. And you see them go back to these same people and dragging them and seizing and closing their shops and taxing. If we have to pay tax, let me contact the anti-tax agency. They will give us a tax code whether we fall under the category of those to pay tax or not. So your vehicles, your public life, your telephone numbers will be in the public domain, because everybody must call you to clear whether they have to pay tax or not to pay tax. Yeah, I charge you that by the time you are done, let your agency be a world-class example for other states and countries to emulate. If God sees into my heart, let him take every single wealth I have. If he can make every single Cross Riverian rich, if he can take every single Cross Riverian out of poverty, let Ben Ayade and the Ayades, let us be poor for Cross Riverians to be comfortable.
A old governor, when the present governor of the state, they cry. They tell you, say, I didn't been away to plan go to office. Now I see for the office, if for good. Now that one you go tell us, say this country in no balance. I've been a person when lose election, and that one I wait to plan, you see. Just because all these our leaders, they want to make money, they'll begin to inconvenience the poor people for the area. Imagine person when they sell banana, you call them say they pay tax. Person when they carry a goose come out for farm, you call them say they pay tax. Now those kind of things when they happen for the country, they make the man say for the country now, everybody they look neighbor say, now you my enemy, now you my enemy. Now so the country they look their neighbor. Now that matter that still make when you be say if NEPA sees like the first thing what they do, now to open country check out, oh thank God everybody you know, now good thing. Not be yesterday, I see where 2 men sit down for the country now, they drag poverty. Papa Ekene and Papa Emeka, Papa Ekene just sit down and say, Papa Emeka, you need to see whether they grow. And so far, all of a sudden, Papa Emeka shout, so far reach me. Okay, so far na better thing. Okay, life na sense.